Hi, so today we're going to review this product. Now imagine living with a constant uneasing screeching, screeching, or buzzing in your ears that never stops. It drains your sleep, destroys your focus, and leaves you desperate for relief. Now imagine an ad. One day you're maybe on TikTok or Facebook, pops up promising an off switch for that ringing. A tiny electric pen you hold behind your ear for like 60 seconds to get an instant silence. Okay. Now this is what Tinido Pen by Xeviola promises. It sounds like a miracle, but today we're going to try to find out if this product really works. Okay. Now the website claims that the device features clinically programmed neuromuscular stimulation engineered specifically to calm your overactive auditory nerves. Okay, now we are going to blow up the lid of that right now. Now you have to understand that this pen, okay, this is a generic electronic acupuncture massage pen. It has been sold on wholesale platforms like Alibaba and Alice Place for over, I think, a decade now, for about like 5 or like 8 cents. Okay, it is designed to give minor static like electric shocks to your skin to stimulate muscles. The scammers didn't ignore a single thing. They bought a cheap crate of a generic massage pens, slapped there the word Tinido on the box, and marketed the price up by thousands of percentages. The marketing makes it look like tinnitus is just a twinge nerve right behind your ear, but real medical science tells a completely different story. Tinnitus is incredibly complex. It's an auditory and neurological issue that usually happens deep inside the brain's cortex or along internal nerve pathways, often triggered by hearing loss or cerebral damage inside the inner ear. Okay, I'm not a doctor, but these are things you can easily Google online. Okay, you can't fix a complex neurological brain phantom sound by buzzing the outside of your ear with a cheap battery-powered rod. Okay, there are zero clinical trials, zero peer-reviewed journals, and absolutely zero medical regulatory approvals providing this device does anything for ear health. Okay, now you might see a few comments online from people saying, "Yeah, well, I tried it and reading stopped for a few seconds." Now, this is the psychological trick behind that. Okay, behind that auditory distraction. When you apply a sudden electrical zap or strong vibration directly behind your nervous system violently shifts its focus to that physical sensation. Your brain temporarily ignores the internal ringing because it's trying to process the external shock. The second you pull a pen away, your brain resets and the ringing lowers right back. It doesn't cure your tinnitus, okay? It's just told your nervous system for a split second. Okay. Worse yet, using unregulated cheap electronic pulse device directly on your ear is actively dangerous. The area behind your ear and along your upper neck is packed with sensitive cranial nerves and major blood vessels. Using a device with zero quality control can cause painful electrical burns, severe skin irritation, or involuntary muscle twitching. Okay, real medical devices that use nerve stimulation are strictly calibrated and administered by audiologists or neurologists. Putting a drop-shipped toy next to your skull is a massive health risk. Okay, so zero claims over 150 people have used the Tinido Pen to reclaim their lives. But if you look outside their heavily moderated website, independent review platforms and tinnitus support groups tell the truth. It's an absolute ghost town of zero success stories and endless complaints about broken hardware and unreasonable refund requests. Okay, if you suffer from tinnitus, please do not let these emotional predatory ads drain your bank account. Consult a real ENT doctor or your audiologist who can help you with legitimate management strategies like white noise therapy or specialized hearing aids. Okay, so let's look out for each other. Let me know if this video was useful for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.